What's going on? I'm out here with my brand new 13 Concept Z, 13 Fishing Concept Z. Getting ready to test it out for the first time. I'm out here Peninsular Paper in Ypsilanti, Michigan. As you can see, the top over here is all frozen over. But I'm gonna be down there. Just get a few casts in. Test this bad boy out. I got it on a 7'5" crankbait rod. That's what I'll be running with pretty much all the time. So it's a brand new rod too. So I'm testing this rod out at the same time with this reel. Finally got a little break in the weather. It's not so cold, so I think today was the perfect day. This water is running, so it's always going to be open right here as it's coming down the fall. I haven't even set it up yet. I just got 20-pound braid. I got one little crankbait. This is all I brought with me just to test it out. I'm not trying to catch any fish, anything. I'm not being out here too long. I got my the spool is pretty deep. It's a pretty deep spool. It's real narrow on the inside. Got this braking, got the internal braking system. I got my brake set to 3. Go all the way up from 1 to 6. On 3, it's right in the middle. Got the cast knob is kind of loose right now, so I'm gonna tighten that up. It's got a pretty cool cast knob, clicking system. Still a little loose. I can see that. Still a little loose. Wow, it must be really loose. Hold on. Ah, there we go. I like that. Okay, brake seem fine. As it hits the water, I'm not losing any line off my reel. It's pretty tight, so I'm good to go. And here we go, first cast, 13 Fishing Concept Z. Not bad. I didn't put any too much force on that. It went pretty far out there. So, not bad. So that was cast 1. Give it another go. Very smooth. You don't hear anything. You don't hear the line coming off the reel at all. It's silent. I'm reeling it back. I feel the vibration in my rod, but as far as the reel handle, I hardly feel anything. I don't feel it's like a lot of resistance in the reel handle. This is a fairly light lure too. I believe, I'm not even gonna guess. It's a Bass Pro crank square bill. It's fairly light lure. This is really smooth. It's really smooth though. Really, really smooth. I like it so far. I don't have it set. I don't have it set where I can mess up too much, no backlash. I'm pretty safe with the settings, so I could loosen it up a little bit. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take go down 1 brake, go down to 2 on the brakes. Shouldn't be that much of a difference. A little bit further with like I said, I'm not horsing it out there. It's a light lure. You can't cast a light lure. You can't horse it out there anyway. It's my first time casting this rod and this reel, so I'm not going too crazy. There's a little more effort. It's not bad. That's not bad at all. I mean, I can't ask for more as far as being smooth. I mean, there's hardly only resistance I feel. I feel light shaking in the rod and the crankbait wobbling, but the reel handle is, I mean, it is buttery. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, so far so good. I like it. I mean, I'm not putting a lot of effort into it. This is really smooth. I wish I was in the position to catch something, but right now I'm not too familiar with smallmouth activities in the river in the wintertime. So it is what it is. I'm just casting for now. I'm loosening up the. That's still pretty good. I don't think I should have to loosen it, but real quick off. Just a little. Back off the drag. I never set the drag. Oh yeah. And this is all braid too. All braid, no leader. 20-pound braid. So, I mean, it's quiet. I don't hear anything. I hear the braid cutting through the wind, and that's it. I don't hear anything else. It's just completely quiet. And I'm casting pretty much 3/4 across this 3/4 across this river, like with light effort. Really light lure, and I'm not horsing it over there. It's flick of the wrist. This is probably from here to that tree right there, maybe 50 yards. All right, so I love the reel so far. It's buttery smooth. It's really nice. I like it. A couple things I want to point out. It's just constructed really well. I mean, like I said, you got the clicker on your tension knob. 5-star drag. It's got the same clicking thing. The reel knobs out the box are pretty nice. I just put the reel grips on there because I like reel grips, but these are oversized reel knobs. And I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of like I don't know if it's neoprene, if that's what the correct term for it is, but it's that soft, rubbery type feel. Real nice. And the big thing about it is zero bearings. It actually has bearings. They're just a different type. It's no ball bearings. And here's the actual bearing. It's on the spool. This is the actual bearing that everybody's talking about. That right, right there, that brown, that's the bearing. It's a bearing, but it's not a steel ball bearing. But the handle is really smooth. The line coming off the reel is really smooth, and it's really high quality. You can just look at the spool itself. Is I don't know what material this is. It's like a matte black. The thumb button. It's really solid. It doesn't feel like it's gonna jam or anything or get all mushy. Sometimes the thumb handles, you push them down and they don't click anymore. They just get worn down. It's got a little rubber insert right there. I don't have any other 13 fishing reels, so I don't know if maybe all the reels are like this. But it's well constructed. It's very well constructed reel. I got the 7.3-to-1. Where is it at? Right there. I have the 7.3-to-1. So I believe they have one higher speed than this, and I want to say 2 lower as far as reel speed. But I'm pretty satisfied. It's really, really smooth. So that's the 13 Fishing Concept Z. I'm satisfied. If I can, I will get another one. Not right now though. But yeah, that's it. Thanks.